You got a computer, the Vrebrey USB C, HDMI, LAN, and more. USB 3.0, it's a product that you plug into a computer. We're going to take it out of the case, comes in a nice box. As we open up, show you what you get inside. It's a station. Give you a nice close-up look at it. SDXC, SD card, 3.5 millimeter, USB 3.0, HDMI. You have a module, a LAN, and 4 USB-A. It plugs into a USB-C port. Please remove the cover. Do check your machine if it's USB-C compliance. This is not. Or tablets, and this is not. Certain laptops, Chromebooks, tablets are not USB-C compliant, and we have here is a Chromebook that has a USB-C port that plugs in that you can add additional cables to for additional charging, audio 3.5 millimeter jack port, and add in all your devices that require more than a port or two. Hooking up to the internet, hooking up to a computer, monitor, and more. Hooking up to HDMI for high definition, and hooking up to an SDXC or SD card. With adapters optional, you could plug into your USB-A port and then plug in your 11-in-1 plug to the USB-C, and you'll have your 11-in-1 Type-C to HD TV 11-in-1 adapter for all your use. With an HDMI monitor hooked up to the 11-in-1, you're now able to transfer information from the computer to the 11-in-1 to a monitor. So if you're looking for the Type-C HDMI USB-C 11-in-1 charger for your computer to transfer information to the TV or monitors or have additional ports, this product may be something that you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.